made it here to Camden Market. It's super busy, super warm, and we're just going to get stuck straight in and get some good food down us. I can't wait. So, my cheese is flying off. First place we try is a cheese wheel.
Take a look at that.
We just got the classic and then put some parmesan and some garlic on. So we've got a lot of eating to do, so get my reaction first. Are we ready? That's good. That's really good.
Is it rich or is it alright?
It's nice. It's nice and that.
See what this bad boy is like.
That's a much bigger mouthful than me. Is that good? It's really good. Look at all your legs. Yeah. Chicken from what? Something, what were it?
Bang.
I just saw bang bang chicken, yeah. I didn't see what it was called. So we got this sweet chilli and we got it with chips. So I'm not a big fan of like chow mein things. It's fresh, we've waited for this. Cooking away in the sun as well as the chicken. So,
good luck with that.
I can get it. Spread out.
Go on, Ada. Good chicken.
That is nice though. That sweet chilli's not too spicy, not too sweet. And it's got really thin crispy coating on there.
Oh, very nice.
I don't know if I'll be able to eat all chips in this box, but I've still got a lot of full places to go, so main event is the chicken, so that's what I'm eating. Jason's favourite food is chicken, so we'll see if he likes this.
I really like batter on that, sauce is lovely.
Did you get a lot of sauce on that one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Tastes really good.
Yeah, I don't think I'll be able to eat all chips. What about you?
Love their white meat as well.
Let's get eating. Got the original one just because I'm fussy, I don't like mushrooms. A lot of them contain mushrooms. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure you've guessed by now, and if not, we are very, very fussy when it comes to food. And well, we're the weirdest foodies you'll ever meet because we love food, we want to try food, but we're just so fussy. But we'll always find a way around it, so back to the food. And you're fussy over other stuff. We stopped at this place, Lil's, just for a pressed juice because we're getting thirsty and we just wanted a break because it's cheese and sauces. So let's dig in. Do you want to check those bites for a change?
Go on then.
Biscuit. Red hot. Everything's really hot and fresh, I must say.
Very, very stringy.
Look at that bowl.
Much more creamy than other cheese dishes.
Is it?
Yeah, I can tell. I mean, I prefer other ones, but I still like this one. It still tastes just as good.
Well, you were just straight in for a second bite, so...
That's it, too busy with camera. What you reckon? Gives me more there.
It's nice, it's mac and cheese, but the other one has a lot more flavour.
A lot more cheese in it.
Yeah. So this place we've got is the cheesy meltdown.
Yeah, some Pakistani cuisine.
What chicken you got? Tandoori chicken.
Tandoori, slightly
And it's
spicy.
like in a naan, slightly spicy with melted cheese on. I think this is going to be the last main place because I want to go on to dessert. Red hot.
Oh, it sounds really crispy. What's that like?
Not nice.
Good?
Yeah, it's like cheesy. There's like a really fresh flavour to it.
What's the
spicy
sauces
chicken-
like?
I don't know, the spicy chicken in now.
Is it? Is it hot?
After a full one of them it will be, yeah. I can
Wow.
feel it on my tongue.
Good job you've saved your
I
drink.
know I've saved a little bit of a drink, but
All in
it's
all,
first,
good?
yeah, it's all really good, but thirsty, look at this. Honestly.
It's not like sealed, is it? Are you ready?
Yep. Can you see what I mean about that fresh flavour inside? It's spice kicking in yet.
There's a freshness about it, isn't there?
Yeah.
Lovely crispy naan, I must say.
Not a soggy naan.
Oh, definitely not sorry naan. Definitely not. I like it.
Chin chin. Chin chin lab. And I mean, I've started on mine, but yours is coming. Obviously, when it comes to dessert, I love dessert, so we could not get just one to share, so. Oh god, my finger's in the way. I'm used to camera being that side. Anyway, I got, look at all that goodness. I got marshmallow fluff, burnt butter caramel ice cream, burnt white chocolate, bee pollen honeycomb, and Fleur de caramel sauce.
Almost
It's-
a job that.
Yeah, everything, like, it's absolutely amazing, honestly. Hi, so it's been a while. Obviously, we walked off all that food. There's a lot of food to walk off. And it's been lovely. So we came back to the hotel and went up to the bar and had a gin. But we need to do a serious part of this video. Which food was best? So we had the cheese wheel.
Cheese wheel first.
Cheese wheel, the bang bang chicken. What else? The cheesy melt naan wrap thing.
Yeah.
And matba.
Matba, yeah. Which was mac and cheese.
Yeah, mac and cheese. And then obviously we had dessert, but dessert always wins in my eyes, so Chin Chin Labs wins that. But in savoury food, so for you, which one was best?
Obviously, it had to be chicken because I absolutely love chicken.
You love chicken. Yeah,
And I've
so
never tried Pakistan. Well, that's what
Yeah.
Karachi.
yeah,
Karachi bar, was it?
yeah. So it was like a
Seafood from Karachi.
tandoor chicken with cheese and in a naan wrap thing. It was really nice and fresh, but for me, number one was the cheese wheel pasta. I love pasta, I love cheese, and that just tasted so good. Like, I could easily go back for that another day. It was lovely. So that is number one winner for us. But yeah, we had a bit of a busy day, but this video is just going to be about the Camden food bits, so I don't think it'd be too long because we got a lot fuller than expected quickly. I did anyway. But yeah, it was really good fun. I enjoyed doing that. I enjoyed trying different cuisines, different countries' cuisines, and different things that I wouldn't normally get at home. So I'd highly recommend it if you guys are thinking about doing something like that. Come to Camden Town. There's lots and lots of places, not just the ones that we had. There's so much more. So yeah. Yeah, do you like it? So now we are going to chill. We've got a free bottle of Carver in our room, so I've got a Lush bath bomb, so I'm gonna have a nice soak in the tub with some Carver, watch the sunset from our room. Been a busy day, and we've got an even busier day tomorrow, so we will see you guys tomorrow.